Hello everyone, in this video we will compare Google Fi and Airalo. Firstly, let us talk about Google Fi. Google Fi operates on a network that combines T-Mobile, Sprint, and US Cellular in the United States. It offers international coverage in over 200 countries and territories. Google Fi offers flexible pricing plans with the ability to pay only for the data you use with unlimited talk and text included. Mainly, it offers three plans: Simply Unlimited, Unlimited Plus, and Flexible for different prices. Additionally, international data usage costs the same as domestic data usage in most countries. Google Fi provides features like free international testing, a built-in VPN for enhanced security on public Wi-Fi networks, and seamless switching between Wi-Fi and cellular networks for calls and texts. Google Fi is known for its responsive customer support and easy-to-use app for managing your account. Next, we have Airalo. Airalo partners with multiple mobile network operators worldwide to provide global coverage. However, coverage may vary depending on the specific destination. Airalo offers eSIM plans for international travel, allowing users to purchase data plans for specific countries or regions without needing a physical card. Pricing varies depending on the destination and the amount of data purchased. Airalo specializes in providing eSIM plans for travelers, offering convenience and flexibility for staying connected abroad without having to switch SIM cards. Customer experiences with Airalo may vary depending on the partner network in each destination. Determining which one is better depends on individual needs and preferences. If you frequently travel internationally and value seamless connectivity across many countries, Airalo's eSIM plans might be more suitable. On the other hand, if you prioritize a reliable network with strong domestic coverage along with international perks and features, Google Fi could be the better choice. If you found this video helpful, you can thank me with a like and subscribe to the channel. See you in another video.